So this is the box that I just got from Samsung. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, we have the Samsung Galaxy S9 in midnight black. Okay, let's see if I can get it open. So this is the box of the S9. It's very similar looking to the box of the S8 or S8 Plus. Let's get it open. Just going to put this down for a second. Samsung did a good job with the packaging, but sometimes it's very hard to open it. Right, so now that we got that off, we can break the seal. Open it up. Right, so first we got this, which should have some information in it, and the SIM card ejector. And then we got the actual phone. What else do we have in here? We got the fast charger. We got the USB to Type-C adapter. We got the micro USB to USB Type-C adapter. We got the charging cable, earphones, and earphone, whatever these things are called. So let's look at the phone. Ooh, my favorite parts. So the S9 actually does look like the Note 8 a bit. Check the edge over there, it's a bit curved. At the back you have the camera, fingerprint reader, flash, and heart rate monitor. At the bottom you have the USB Type-C port, headphone jack, speaker. On the right hand side you've got a power button. On the left hand side you have the volume rocker and Bixby button. And at the top you've got a SIM card and micro SD card ports. Let's see if I can power this baby on. I have been using the S8 Plus for quite a while now, but the S9 really does fit better in my hand than the S9 Plus. Unfortunately, the S9 only has one camera, whereas the S9 Plus has a dual camera, which I would have liked to see, but I guess in the future I'll have a chance to have a look at it. So this is the Samsung Galaxy S9. It has a 5.8-inch Quad HD display, dual pixel 12 megapixel camera, super slow-mo 8 megapixel selfie camera, stereo speakers by AKG. It's water and dust resistant. It's got iris scanner, 64 gigabytes of storage, 4 gigs of RAM, wireless charging, and overall it really is a good looking phone, and I look forward to giving it a full review, which I will share with you shortly. Cheers until next time.